All right, let's get ready. Let's get started here. All right, let's get started here. Get a little feedback. Hold on a second. There we go. All right, good morning, everybody. Let's get started. Remember, once again, the purpose of these morning shows is just for educational and demonstrational purposes only. We do not suggest that you try to make these trades. Keep in mind that Facebook and YouTube both have a delay on the broadcast. So if you try to make these trades, more than likely you will end up losing money. If you want real time, become a member, join our live chat room, and you'll be able to watch these trades actual real-time live. You won't have that delay factor. All right, so once again, let me show you the symbols. So if you're not familiar with the symbols, you know what we're trading this morning. We're trading the US 500, which is the ES. RTY is going to be the US small cap. YM is going to be your Wall Street 30, and Q, US Tech. Of course, we have our gold, silver, crude, natural gas, and of course, Bitcoin. And we're just basically just waiting for our first setup. All right, let's go with RTY. I'm getting a short on RTY, getting a short on RTY. My target on RTY is going to be a low of 2004, 2004. That's my profit target, 2004. And if I need the reverse, it's going to be 2014. 2014. Also, if you'd like to learn a little bit more on my strategy, go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com, and or go to my YouTube channel. There's plenty of educational videos. When we're trading the indices and the gold and the silver, we do like to use what they call knockouts. It's actually offered only by Nadex, and it does give us quite a bit of advantages by doing that. But you can use anything. If you're a commodity trader, you can certainly use, whatever platform you have available. Same with the, with everything, whether you're trading forex, commodities, or you like to trade these indices. Once again, the ES, of course, is your E-mini. All right, I am getting a short also now on the U.S. Tech. Getting a short on the U.S. Tech. Target on U.S. Tech is going to bring us down to 138.82 and a half, 132.82 and a half, 138.82 and a half is my target. And if that target is not hit, we will reverse. If it comes up to the 139.95, 139.95. So we're long the, we're short the RTY, short NQ. NQ working its way down the target. RTY working its way down the target. We're also getting a buy on the gold right now. Getting a buy on the gold and also getting a buy on the silver. Target on the gold is going to be a high of 1954. We're looking at a target of 1954. And if we don't hit target, we will reverse at 1945. And on the silver, we're looking for a target of 2553. And if we don't hit target, we will reverse at 2516. 2516. All right, so long gold, long silver, short RTY, short NQ. No first trades yet on the core setups for the currencies. Getting a buy on natural gas. That's going to give us a target of 40, 49.45, 49.45. And if we don't hit target, we will reverse at 47.95, 47.95. Once again, I want to remind everybody this live broadcast is for educational and demonstrational purposes only. Do not trade these setups. You will lose money. There is a delay, and there's more to it than just buying and selling these setups. If you would like to learn more about how we do it, you will have to go to binaryprostrategies.com and sign up for the course, or we also have a trial membership there. You can try the trial. And also remember, trade in a simulated account and or demo account. Do not trade real money until you have mastered the process. All right? You will lose money. You have to master the process. You should be profitable at least 9 out of every 10 trading days in a simulated account before you even think about going live. Trading is not, there's no magic here. This is not a magic formula. We are trading probabilities, all right? And you will have to work at it. This is not something that Somebody's going to give you a buy and sell, and you're going to make a lot of money. You have to learn how to trade, and that takes time, dedication, and a lot of screen time. All right? Nobody can offer you a magic formula despite what you may hear out there on YouTube. It's like wanting to be a professional quarterback, and you ask me what kind of equipment I use. If I'm a professional quarterback, what kind of equipment I use, and what are some of the plays, and then think about, because you have all that, you're going to go out and become a professional quarterback. It doesn't work that way, folks. It's the same way with trading. It takes time, takes a lot of practice, it takes a lot of screen time. All right, it's like any other profession. Don't be kidded to think that there is a magic formula out there. There is not. And no one strategy will allow you to trade it blindly. All right, that just doesn't work. You have to trade probabilities. You have to put the probabilities in your favor and have a track record, profit target hit, to show that your strategy will continue to put the odds in your favor. Okay, we just hit target on NQ. Profit target hit on NQ, which is your US tech. We are still short RTY, still long gold and silver, and we are also long natural gas. We do things differently here at Binary Pro Strategies. We do not just provide you with a bunch of indicators. Of course, we don't use any indicators at all. We give you a very logical and proven approach to trading, and we're here to make you an individual, self-reliant trader. All right? You don't want to depend on me or anybody else. You have to learn how to trade on your own if you want to do this long term. You have to learn to become your own independent trader. And so everything that I do is geared towards making you successful. We put a lot of time in this chat room, and we put a lot of time in the training. So if that's what you're looking for, you've come to the right place. If you're looking for a magic formula, then I would suggest you give up trading and try something else, because it doesn't exist. Anyway, that's done with my preaching today. All right, once again, on the symbols, so you understand what the symbols are. Over here, top right-hand corner, trading the ES, US 500, RTY, US small cap. YM is your Wall Street 30, and your NQ is your US tech. And of course, we have our gold, silver, crude, natural gas, and Bitcoin, if you like to trade Bitcoin. Dow's going to open here in about 10 minutes. That's when we're going to really start seeing some movement, some activity. Right now, we're long gold, silver, long natural gas, and we are short RTY. And of course, if you're just joining us, be sure that you agree to my disclaimer. This is for educational purposes only. Do not try to trade these setups until you fully understand the process and our methods. You will lose money. So the way this works on our morning show, we do this live trading. It is free to non-subscribers for the first hour, and then after that, it is going to be reserved to our subscribers. And then we continue on from there. All right, we're getting the first trade of the day on the Aussie US. Aussie US, it's going to be a 39 buy, 73. We're buying the 73.39. That's going to be the first trade of the day in core. So along the 73.39 is actually, let's see here, it was 30, it was below our entry. Now we're at 39 and a half.
Reverse buy.
Once again, we don't get out early on these core trades. They are designed, this pattern is designed to carry it to the close. We are still long. That 73.39 is going to expire here in 5 seconds. All right, first trade today on the Aussie US was a loss today. So today we will show that as a loss. That is going to be the first trade on the Aussie US. Still long silver, still long gold, still long natural gas. And we are still short RTY. Good morning, students. How are you doing? We have about another 30 minutes to go here, and then we will start looking at all the different setups for core. Okay, I am going to go ahead and lower that risk on that RTY. We're going to have a reversal now at 2014. That is going to be our reversal. Still long gold, still long natural gas, still long silver, short RTY. All right, Dow's going to open here in less than a minute. Less than a minute to go here for the Dow. Less than 30 seconds now. So once again, target on RTY is still going to be 2004, reversal 2014. The Dow's opening up. It's down 330. Reversing a buy on RTY. Just reversed buy on RTY at 2014.
Reverse buy.
That was RTY. Reversing buy on RTY. Long now. Okay, we're looking for a target now on RTY to get us a
target hit.
Looking for a high to hit at 2019. 2019. Is our profit target. $20.04 is going to be our reverse now. It's going to be our reverse short. $20.04 is still going to be our stop and reverse. Looking for a target of 2019 on RTY. Gold hit its target, so gold did hit its target. We are now out of gold, still long silver. Silver's getting close to hitting target. Still long natural gas. Long RTY.
Profit target hit.
Target hit on silver. Going to exit silver. Still long RTY. Still long natural gas. Nice carry. Good job, Terrence. US Tech getting a buy on US Tech. Target on US Tech's going to bring us up to 139.95. 139.95 is our target. And if we need to reverse on that US Tech, it's going to bring us down to 138.82.5. 138.82.5. Now riding three positions, we are still long natural gas. We are long the US Tech and long RTY. Dow's down 382. I do like this setup on the natural gas. I like the pattern setup. I like the pattern setup on this RTY. Okay, students, everybody green so far? Let's take a look here. How my students doing? Who is green? Nice. I know you are, Carrie. Nice. Terrence, I know you are. Nice. Ah, nice. It's like everybody that's trading is green. Good job. Okay, RTY approaching target. NQ on its way.
Profit target hit.
Profit target hit on RTY. Still long US Tech, still long natural gas. US Tech getting close to target. Target once again is going to be that 139.95. Looking for a 139.95. We're sitting at 9.
Profit target hit.
And well, there we go. We just hit profit target on U.S. Tech. All right, that just puts us along the natural gas. Dow's down 356, 366. Crude oil just took a buy, went long on crude oil. Crude's moving fast, so let's get our target. I don't even think I have a chance to get the target in. Crude oil just hit target on crude oil. Crude's a fast one. Okay, we're just long natural gas right now. Still long natural gas, that's it. We've hit profit on pretty much everything this morning. All right, I'm now getting a short on the U.S. Tech. Getting a short on U.S. Tech. Target on U.S. Tech is going to bring me down to 138.82 and a half. 138.82 and a half. That is my profit target. If I need to reverse, I am going to reverse up here way 139.95. 139.95. Once again, for my students, do not try to trade all of these. Find the one instrument you like and stick with it. Okay, we are short U.S. Tech, still long that natural gas. Possible short coming up on RTY. RTY just went short. Now we're now short RTY. Profit target on RTY is going to bring us down to 2004. And if I need to reverse, I'm going to reverse it 2019. Okay, now we're short RTY, short US Tech, and long natural gas. Nothing on crude, nothing on Bitcoin, nothing on gold, nothing on silver. They've all hit targets. All right, US Tech's on its way to target. RTY starting. Profit target hit. Profit target hit on US Tech. It's been a really, really good morning. A really strong morning. I think we only had one reversal, if I'm not mistaken. Profit target hit. Target hit on RTY. So that puts us still long just to natural gas. Nothing on gold, nothing on silver, nothing on Bitcoin, nothing on crude. Okay, we have about another 13 minutes for the live broadcast. If you like more information about my trading style, just go to my YouTube channel, binaryprostrategies.com. Plenty of educational videos out there. And if you want to try our service, we do offer a trial. Go to binaryprostrategies.com, click on Join Now, and you'll see there is a trial offer there. You can go ahead and you can try us here for a week. First week is going to be absolutely free, so you have nothing to lose on that. But I know once you try it, you will want to stay. Once again, make sure that everybody does agree to our disclaimer here. This live broadcast is for educational and demonstrational purposes only. All right? Do not try to trade these setups because there is a delay. There is a delay on the broadcast. If you are a member of our live chat room, of course the feed is live. There is no delay. Okay, natural gas starting to work its way up now. Nicely green on that natural gas. I do like this formation here on the natural gas. I'm going to put another position on long. Right, so the only thing we have on right now is we're along this natural gas. May have a core setup short coming up on your Euro US. It's going to be a core setup short. Not yet though, maybe. Once again, if you're a conservative trader, as you know, you can always just take one side. If you want to be a seller every day, if you want to be a buyer every day, or if you come in with a particular buy, stick to just one side. You don't have to reverse on these indices. You can go ahead and just get stopped out and then look for your next short or next buy. Anyway, be sure that you look at my video on my YouTube channel. I do talk a little bit more about strategy on that. Yeah, that video is called Predicting Price Levels with the Einstein Formula. Predicting Price Levels with the Einstein Formula. All right, still long natural gas. That's it. Nothing yet. Man, been a really strong morning. Dow's down 423. Don't expect much of a bounce today on the Dow. A lot of times Fridays are typically down days anyway, particularly in this kind of environment. And with this war going on, you never know. So most people are probably not going to want to carry any kind of long positions on through the weekend. But just because of that doesn't mean we can't do well on some nice buy setups, right? Because we're just scalping here. We don't really care the overall direction of the market. That is not what is important to us. We look for volatility. And for those that think you're just only going to be a seller because the market's going down, or only a buyer because the market is going up, you're going to be missing some really good opportunities, because some of your better shorts are on a market that's going up, and some of your better buys are on a market that's going down when you're a short-term trader, right? We are not holding these positions for weeks and months, right? We're holding these positions sometimes less than 5 minutes. So just get that out of your head, because you're just going with the flow. That's what we do here. We just go with the flow. We have our patterns that give us an indication of which direction it's going in. And they have very strong probabilities of going in that direction, and we're playing probabilities. This game is nothing more than probabilities. Of course, you have to have an edge. You have to find something that's going to give you an edge. Indicators will not give you that edge. Traditional candlestick patterns will not give you that edge. Standard chart patterns, head and shoulders, support and resistance, will not give you that edge. As I've always said, think about it in a logical way. If everybody that's using indicators are making money, we know that's not the case, so most people use indicators, and what do we know? 98% of traders lose money. The professionals don't use them, folks. I don't care what you see on their charts. They read action, price action. And if it was as simple, think about these money managers that get paid millions of dollars a year. You think a firm, if they could just program an indicator and make it automatic, some sort of artificial intelligence, don't you think they would do that instead of paying these traders millions of dollars every year? I think that tells you something right there. So don't be lured into this false security thinking you're going to have a set of indicators that's going to make you rich. Doesn't exist, folks. That is just a bunch of nonsense on people that have never traded, and they just want to market their products. And if you want to insist on continuing to use indicators, then you're welcome to do that. But I've been in this business for 40 years, and all the professional traders that I know that make a living out of this, do not use them. All right, got about 3 minutes to go for our live broadcast. Subscribers, just stay tuned. Do not go away. We'll flip our charts here in a minute so you can see more of the setups. Getting a buy on YM, getting a buy on YM. That is going to be the Wall Street 30. RTY is getting ready for a buy. Already had a buy on ES. Missed a buy on the ES. That already hit target. That would have been a nice trade. All right, let's get a target over here on the Wall Street 30. High on Wall Street 30, let's see here. It's going to be 334.63, 334.63. Looks like we already hit target at 334.63 to come back up. RTY is going long. RTY is going long. Target on RTY is going to be 2014. Profit target hit. Target hit again on YM, Wall Street 30. And RTY is getting ready to hit target, and that's going to be it for the live broadcast. Once again, to learn more, just go to binaryprostrategies.com. If you'd like to try before you buy, you can go to the Join Now page and sign up for the trial. If you'd like to learn how we come up with these patterns, go to, you'd have to join the core, purchase the core package. There's plenty of videos there that show you exactly how some of these setups work. We do not provide the Einstein formula, but we do provide that. We do provide the levels to our subscribers, and there's plenty of educational videos on YouTube as well. All right, we just hit target for RTY. Starting to be a really good morning. Once again, students, please continue to stay with us. All right, let me get out of those positions. Okay, everybody have a great weekend. And for those that are on YouTube and Facebook, any questions? Once again, binaryprostrategies.com. Shoot me your questions. Always glad to answer those for you. Have a nice weekend.